When it comes to upgrading your home's exterior, siding installation is one of the most important investments you can make. Not only does new siding enhance curb appeal, but it also improves energy efficiency and protects your home against Michigan's unpredictable weather. However, many homeowners in Madison Heights fall into common pitfalls during siding projects that end up costing them more time, money, and stress. To help you avoid these headaches, here are the top mistakes to avoid when planning a siding installation in Madison Heights. Choosing the wrong type of siding. Not all siding materials are created equal. Some homeowners make the mistake of selecting siding based on looks alone, without considering durability, maintenance, or how well it stands up to Michigan's climate. For example, vinyl siding is affordable and low maintenance but may crack in extreme cold. Fiber cement siding offers excellent durability but requires a higher upfront investment. Wood siding has timeless appeal but needs ongoing upkeep to prevent rot and insect damage. The best choice depends on your budget, aesthetic goals, and willingness to maintain the siding over time. Before committing, weigh the pros and cons of each option with a local siding expert who understands Madison Heights conditions. Skipping proper preparation of the home's exterior. A common mistake is rushing into siding installation without addressing underlying issues such as water damage, mold, or warped sheathing. Siding is not a fix for structural problems, it's a protective layer. If your home has rotting wood, leaks, or insulation gaps, those issues need to be corrected first. Otherwise, you risk covering up major problems that will only worsen and cost more to repair later. Ignoring energy efficiency opportunities. New siding presents the perfect opportunity to improve your home's insulation. Yet many homeowners in Madison Heights overlook this step, missing out on potential energy savings. Adding a weather-resistant barrier or upgrading insulation beneath the siding can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. Considering Michigan's cold winters and hot summers, this small step can make a big difference in comfort and monthly utility bills. Hiring the wrong contractor. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is choosing a contractor based solely on the lowest bid. While saving money up front seems appealing, it often leads to poor workmanship, delays, and unexpected costs. Instead, look for a siding contractor in Madison Heights with proven local experience, positive customer reviews, proper licensing and insurance, a detailed written estimate and warranty. The right contractor ensures the job is done correctly the first time, protecting both your investment and your peace of mind. Overlooking ventilation and moisture control. Siding isn't just about appearance, it also plays a critical role in your home's ability to breathe. Poorly installed siding that doesn't allow for proper ventilation or drainage can trap moisture, leading to mold, mildew, and wood rot. Always ensure your installation includes house wrap, flashing, and correct spacing so that moisture can escape rather than become trapped behind the panels. Neglecting long-term maintenance. Some homeowners believe that once siding is installed, it requires no upkeep. While materials like vinyl and fiber cement are low maintenance, they are not maintenance-free. Periodic inspections, gentle cleanings, and timely repairs extend the lifespan of your siding and keep your home looking great. Ignoring small issues, like a cracked panel or loose corner, can quickly escalate into major damage if left unchecked. Misjudging project timing. In Madison Heights, weather plays a huge role in construction projects. Attempting siding installation in the dead of winter or during periods of heavy rain can create complications, delays, and even affect how the siding adheres. Planning your project during moderate weather, typically spring through early fall, ensures smoother installation and longer-lasting results. Final thoughts. Siding installation is a major home improvement project that can transform the look, comfort, and value of your Madison Heights home. By avoiding these common mistakes, choosing the wrong materials, skipping prep work, neglecting energy upgrades, hiring unqualified contractors, ignoring ventilation, overlooking maintenance, and misjudging timing, you set yourself up for a successful project that pays off for years to come. When in doubt, consult a trusted local siding professional. Their expertise ensures your investment not only looks great but also stands strong against Michigan's weather for decades.